Hi, I'm Owen. I'm building a no-weld recumbent trike, and in this video we're going to destruction test the main joint on the frame by driving it up and down a bumpy road until it breaks, or I get tired and can't be bothered anymore. Okay, so that was the road, and there's two guys fishing there. Now it's, do I feel brave enough to set up cameras and do it? And I feel I'm going to. Sod it. Let's do it. Okay, so what we'll do, cycle as fast as I can up that bit onto the bridge and then turn around, and we'll do it 10 times, see what happens.
Das ist neu?
Das ist Prototyp, Moment.
Ah ja, wollte ich gerade sagen.
Danke. Okay, auf two. Okay. Four. That one's cool. Oh. So the end stage of trying to fix this center bracket is I have some more center brackets which I drilled out to 8mm diameter. Now we'll draw a veil over the drilling of it. It wasn't pretty, as you can see. What I've then done is I have bought some T-bolts. So this is basically the same as a profile nut, only it's a bolt. Oh yeah, this side was like, some were really loose and some weren't, which completely makes sense because you've got different stress points. But yeah, some were really pretty loose. But it does say something about the fact that the design works perfectly well when they are loose. Well, for a short time at least. But yeah, this was the problem with this is the problem with M6. You cannot put. I mean, even with stainless steel bolts. There is very much a limit to the amount of torque you can place on them because yeah, they'll just strip, and you can strip them by hand without even trying that hard. I mean, M8 is a different matter altogether. Oh, it's very loose. Oh, this is looking good. Maybe I can get to it without yeah, it's great. Don't have to muck about with Allen keys anymore. Use big boy tools. That's fitted that. Let's take it for a ride. So this might not have been the best time to try this out, I admit. So we made the modifications. I'm now cycling the bike back to this bumpy road, and we're going to try out the bike on the road and see if anything comes undone. I hope it doesn't come undone, because I've very cleverly forgot to take any tools to tighten it back up again, because we're now using bolts, and got my requisite set of Allen keys on board, but no bolt spanners. I hope it doesn't come undone. But that doesn't mean we're not going to drive it as fast as we can along that road and see how it goes and see what happens. I got my phone on me, so maybe my wife will rescue me. Maybe not. Right, got to the stream and it's a bit quieter than it was. My main microphone is absolutely soaked. Pro tip, plastic bag next time, I think, just to keep stuff in, but I forgot. Let's see what I can do. Alright, 10 times again, backwards and forwards as before. That was 2, 3. Have a quick look. No, all seems to be good. 4. Take something there and back, so this is back on number 4. Oh, okay. Breaking off this little jockey wheel is the bolt has just sheared. Okay. Oh hum. Let's see if we can go back and get out of the rain a bit. There isn't anywhere out of the rain. Yeah, this is going to make it a little bit difficult to get home because I don't think I've got a spare. Oh, actually, yeah, I do. Hang on. Maybe I do have a spare, which would be very nice because I don't really fancy walking home from here. Yeah, I think this is all very doable. Just as a clarification, this bolt here has just sheared, which kind of totally makes sense. I mean, come on. Work hard, and that was me being silly, and you can see the extra force and stuff that it's had on it. There's loads and loads of force on there, so yeah, we'll look at we'll definitely look at M8 or something there. But in order to get home I need the jockey wheel. I might be able to use it as a provisional fitting for the wheel, and we'll just go very gently. It should be long enough. It should be long enough if I just run the jockey. I don't know whether this will work. No. Okay, it's not going to work. Ooh, I know what we can use. I'll make it a bit wobbly, but we'll take a seat pin. I'm running out of hands here, so I'll fit this up and then I'll give you another look. That's the jockey wheel remounted. I have to break off the test because I've no way. I want to get home as well. It's getting really wet. So I'll pack up and turn around Hang on. Oh no, we haven't done a bolt test yet. Okay. Unfortunately, it's going to have to be hand tightened, but I'd have thought you'd feel. Oh. Okay. All right, that's one. I think nylox, and then we're there, because they are definitely strong enough, and the thing felt better riding it. So I think we're nearly there. Gotta get this, make sure the bolts are.
Wait, let me get another angle.
Okay.
I'm scared. Okay.
Oh, it's actually really difficult getting the thing back together again when the bike is all built up together. It's just
When it's like lying on the desk.
yeah, when it's lying on the desk.
In the tiles.
I know, I should.
Shambles.
Yeah, but the thing is, I had to take it. No, I didn't have to take it to bits. I could
Could have totally chilled in the garage.